100 ml of 2 molar HCl solution. That means they given 2 molarity and volume. For that solution completely neutralized, 10 grams of metal carbonate is used. Metal carbonate. Then the equivalent weight of metal is. So direct formula. Here we can use molarity equal to, in case of normality equal to weight of the solute by equivalent weight of solute into 1000 by volume of solution. Here they are given 2 molarity, but we need normality. In case of HCl, univalent H plus, it gives H plus and Cl minus. So plus 1 valency. So plus 1 valency means normality equal to molarity. Normality equal to molarity. So we can use the molarity value as a normality also. So here normality is 2. Weight they given 10 grams. And in case of equivalent weight, we have to find out equivalent weight into 1000 by volume of solution 100 ml. So 2 zeros cancel. So then equivalent weight equal to 100 by 2 equal to 50. So equivalent weight is 50. Answer is 50. Second question is molarity of 200 ml HCl solution which can be neutralized by 10.6 grams of anhydrous Ne2CO3 is. So here they are given two solutions, HCl and Na2CO3. So basic reaction is Na2CO3 is a base. It reacts with HCl, forms 2NaCl plus H2O plus CO2. That means here 2 moles of HCl. 2 moles of HCl. So here we need 2 moles of HCl based on equation. Then write the formula molarity equal to weight of the solute by molecular weight of solute into 1000 by volume of solution. So use this formula. So molarity equal to weight, they given 10.6 grams of Na2CO3 and molecular weight of Na2CO3 is Na23. So for Na2CO3 molecular weight is 23 into 46 plus carbon 12, oxygen 48, 3 oxygens into 1000 by volume of solution they given as a 200 ml. In 2 zeros cancel, 2 ones are 2 5s are. So here 10.6 by 106 into 5. So almost we can get 0.5. So 0.5 molar. Actually this is per mole. So this is per mole. So but we need for 2 moles because 2 moles of HCl is taken. So for 2 moles molarity is for 1 mole 0.5, for 2 moles 0.5 into 2 1.0 molar. So answer is option B. Option B is the correct answer. Suppose the elements X and Y combines two compounds XY2 and X3Y2 when 0.1 mole of XY2 weighs 10 grams and 0.05 moles of X3Y2 weighs 9 grams, atomic weight of X and Y are. So we have to find out the atomic weights. Here we can solve this one as by using basic equations. That means X and Y combines to form compounds XY2. So in case of XY2, In case of xy2, x plus 2y equal to how many moles? Weight by, so number of moles equal to weight by atomic mass. So atomic mass equal to weight by number of moles. So how to calculate the atomic weight of xy2? Atomic weight of x plus atomic weight of y into 2 equal to weight by moles. Weight, how much weight they given? Already 10 grams of weight they given by number of moles 0.1. That means 100. So this is first equation. Then what about second one? x3y2. So 3x plus 2y gives, so weight by number of moles. Weight they given 9 grams, moles 0.05, finally 180. So based on first equation and second equation, if we solve, so if we solve means equation 2 minus equation 1, then we can get 2x equal to 80, then x equal to 40. If x equal to 40, substitute the x value in any one equation, either equation 1 or 2, then we can get, so substitute x value in equation 1, x plus 2y equal to 100, then x means 40, 2y equal to 100, 2y equal to 60, y equal to 30. So we got y value as 30 and x value as 40. So x is 40, y equal to 30. So 40, 30 option is option A. Option A is the correct answer. Number of ions present in 1 ml. Volume is 1 ml. 0.1 molar CaCl2 solution. Concentration is 0.1 molar. Concentration is 0.1 molar and the volume is 1 ml. So we have to find out the number of ions. Number of ions. So number of ions. How to find out number of ions? Actually CaCl2. In CaCl2 how many ions are there? Ca2 plus 2Cl minus. That means 3 ions. 3 ions per mole. 3 ions per mole means 1000 ml. That is the meaning. Molarity means 1000 ml. So here they are giving ml. So we have to consider the 1000 ml. So molarity means 1 liter or 1000 ml. So 3 ions are present in a CaCl2 per 1000 ml. That means 3 by 1000 equal to 3 into 10 power minus 3. But we have to multiply with Avogadro number, Na. So because they mentioned number of ions means we should multiply with Avogadro number. So 3 into 10 power minus 3 into 6 into 10 power 23. So then 6 into 3, 18. So 10 power 20. So 18 into 10 power 20. Otherwise 1.8 into so normally 3 ions per 1000 ml, but here we have to consider the concentration also, 0.1 molar. That means 3 ions. So in case of 0.1 molar means that is 0.3. So here it is 0.3. So 0.3 into Avogadro number. So 1.8 into 10 power 20 ions. 20 ions are present. So answer is 1.8 into 10 power 20. Option A is the correct answer. So normally 3 ions are present in 1000 ml. But in case of 0.1 molar, 0.3 ions are present. 0.3 ions per 1000 ml. So we should consider it one as 0.3 into 10 power minus 3 multiplied by number of ions means Avogadro number. So we must multiply with the Avogadro number. Then 0.3 into 10 power minus 3 into Avogadro number means we can get 1.8 into 10 power 20. An alkane has C by H ratio by mass of 5.1428, then its molecular weight. So ఇక్కడ మనకి alkane అని మెన్షన్ చేశారు కాబట్టి here they mentioned alkane, hence alkane formula is CnH2n plus 2. Then how to find out its value formula based on mass? Already they given mass is 5.1428. That means how to calculate mass normally? So carbon 12 into n times plus hydrogen mass is 1 into 2n plus 2 equal to 5.1428. So they are given C by H ratio, that means is nothing but sum of the atomic weights of that alkane. So if we calculate that one, we can get n equal to, so 12n plus 2n plus 2 equal to 5.1428. Then 14n equal to 5.1428 minus 2. So by solving we can get n equal to 6. That means in CnH2n plus 2, if we substitute n equal to 6, then we can get C6H14. So this is the answer. B is the correct option.